In just 30 minutes, I can show you exactly what's holding your business back and how to fix it. We use the business alignment pyramid to map your business across these 10 critical layers, showing you where your business is strong and where friction is slowing you down. Through linguistic patterns, we can identify recurring loop patterns in leaderships, systems, or a culture that keeping your business stuck in the same cycle. At the same time, we will uncover strength that you can double down on and opportunities you could currently be leaving on the table. We will predict next cycle, what will happen if nothing changes, and reveal the cost of staying stuck. We put real numbers on it. Revenue lost, hours wasted, and the growth you're potentially missing. This is your business laid out clearly. The friction points, the opportunities, and the next steps. To take the next step, book your free consultation today to receive your own business map, and you will receive it within 48 hours after our meeting. So, I see you there. Bye bye.